Welcome to my course in information privacy law. We live in an age of new technology and surveillance. Everywhere around us, we see surveillance cameras. There are surveillance devices and devices that record our personal information that we carry around us every day. In our pockets are our smartphones, our computers, our laptops, all sorts of devices everywhere that are gathering our personal information and then crunching it, analyzing it, and using it to make important decisions in our lives. This is the world that we live in. There are countless organizations that gather massive quantities of personal data about every facet of people's lives. How should they be regulated? What should the law do in a world where technology is posing such dramatic changes to our personal privacy? That is what this course is about. It's about how the law deals with these technologies and what the law should do to do this.